The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate hyporheic flow experimentally, using modeling software that creates a simulation which agrees strongly with the physical experiment.
This method can help demonstrate key concepts in the field of hydrology by showing how the flow of water through sediments under a stream is influenced by sediment topography and surface water properties.
While this method can be used to investigate hyporheic flow, it can also be used in educational laboratories to demonstrate hyporheic flow to students of all levels.
The main advantage of this technique is that it couples physical laboratory experiments with interactive computer software that simulates the same phenomenon.
Visual demonstration shows the spatial similarities and discrepancies between the physical experiments and the simulations, which encourages the development of a deeper understanding of hyporheic principles.
Begin with installing the required software, which is NetLogo, and 2 scripts to run in NetLogo, Mousedrop and Interface. Next, following instructions in the text protocol, set up the laboratory Flume so that all parameters fall within the Mousedrop simulation parameter range constraints. Run the Flume for 12 to 24 hours to create a bedform with the desired characteristics. Adjust the Flume slope and water depth to achieve a uniform flow over the bedform. The goal is for the sediment grains in bedforms to not appear to be moving, although a little movement may be unavoidable. First, make the flow uniform. While the pump is running, select 2 points at the bottom of the Flume and record the distance to the water surface for each line. Then, adjust to the slope of the Flume